Wall Street 2.0. Institutional grade finance on chain for everyone, backed by Founders Fund, Pantera Capital, and Coinbase. That's ONDO. I am talking about ONDO, and BlackRock is behind ONDO as well. And they just told you ONDO is the platform for tokenization. Do not miss this. Check out this clip.
What I want to do is I want to ask you all the questions I hear people that are constantly debating this, starting off with, why the heck do we need tokenization? Doesn't the stock market work perfectly well? What is the purpose of doing this?
I love it. Appreciate you asking the question because it's the number one question I get. We believe tokenization is helpful for two things. Number one is enabling global access to an asset that people want, but historically have struggled to get access to. The second reason is tokenization enables you to put something on chain. Why do people want their asset on chain? Because they can also use it in DeFi, primarily as collateral. So putting something on chain just enables programmability, 24/7 movement of the thing. It becomes a better version of the asset than it can be in traditional rails.
Tokenization is unlocking access to the world's most important markets. Here's the quote. It enables global access to assets people want but can't easily get, and once on chain, they become programmable, transferable 24/7, and usable in DeFi. If you think about it, if you tokenize, let's say like your Tesla stock, your Apple stock, you can then borrow against it potentially on platforms like Moonwell, on a whole bunch of different platforms, Aave, Curve, and all of those. And then that's another way to leverage your asset. You can also buy in aftermarkets, pre-markets. You have more access to buy the dip if that's what you wanted to do, or sell to take some profit whenever you want. If you're outside the US, this is a perfect product for you as well. There's a lot of things there that people are loving and liking, and BlackRock, as I said, is obviously loving it as well. So markets are going global, and this is for September. Here we are. Check this out. And in this video here, you can see AMD, Tesla, Airbnb, that's Amazon, NVIDIA, right? Shopify, Spotify, I don't even know what that is, Apple, right? All of these tickers, Microsoft, all of these tickers, Nike, all of these tickers, PayPal, they're all about to be tokenized. And again, borrowing, lending, using in DeFi, having collateral, able to trade 24/7, earning yields. There's a lot of stuff here that is happening because of ONDO Finance making it happen September 9th. So we got to pay attention to that. And here's a post right here from Michelle Bowman, the vice chair for supervision at the Federal Reserve. She says, change is coming. At the Wyoming Blockchain Symposium, she urged regulators to abandon their quote unquote overly cautious mindset towards blockchain technology. Key takeaways. Number one, regulators must embrace blockchain's benefit, enhanced speed, safety, and operational efficiency across financial systems. Number two, tokenization solves real problems, faster, cheaper, and more seamless asset transfers compared to traditional infrastructure. And then number three, smart regulation is essential. Rules must be transparent, risk proportionate, and balanced to support both innovation and financial stability. The Federal Reserve's Vice Chair for Supervision, speaking on blockchain innovation, signals a meaningful shift towards pro-innovation cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. So this lady here said, let's get it done. All right, I got one more clip for y'all. Here we go. Check this one out.
The way that we have now built our platform that we will launch very soon is that when you want to essentially acquire a stock on chain, our model does not rely on on-chain liquidity to make that happen. When we do not rely on these on-chain DEX pools like some of the other providers, the way that we have set up our platform is if a primary purchaser wants to acquire, let's say, $1 million worth of Tesla, the way it works is that we can instantly mint $1 million worth of Tesla at the exact same price as is available on the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ on chain the moment you send us stable coins. So there is instant connectivity into these TradFi liquidity venues to make sure that people can always mint and burn these assets at the same price as is available in TradFi. As a result, even when people deploy liquidity pools on chain, people are going to be able to arb down these prices. But even more importantly, you do not have to rely on those on-chain liquidity pools, those on-chain DEX pools, in order to actually get the stocks and ETFs.
New platform coming in September. Great breakdown. It's happening, y'all. And again, this is the ONDO Finance website, ONDO.finance. They have all the information here, all the chains, all the TVLs, the yields that they're got going right now, what's coming, ONDO Tesla, ONDO Visa, thousands of RWAs on one platform. This is for the investors outside of the U.S. We know institutions will be using it, hedge funds, a lot of foreign people outside the U.S., but this is what this platform is going to look like, y'all. And again, if we scroll all the way down here, we're going to see that they're making it happen. Looking for it. There he is right there, BlackRock. So if we scroll down and we look at who's going to be using this, who's believing in this, BlackRock is the name of the game. So again, y'all, this is the RWA platform that is a set to explode. Let me know what you think. Passive income, gold in my dental. Thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.